Hello friends, welcome back to tutscorner.com videos. Today let's see best breakfast smoothie for weight loss. This smoothie is a nutrient-packed breakfast option that promotes weight loss, boosts energy and provides essential vitamins to kickstart your day. Ingredients: half cup spinach, rich in iron and fiber, helps with weight management and digestion. Half banana, provides natural sweetness and energy along with potassium for muscle function. 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, high in protein, it supports muscle growth and helps control hunger. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and antioxidants for a healthy metabolism. Half cup unsweetened almond milk, low calorie and hydrating. Ice cubes, optional, for a thicker, colder smoothie. Instructions: prepare ingredients, slice the banana, blend, add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve, pour into a glass and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.